Everybody, it's Jen. I taught this yesterday in a free class that I taught online. However, my audio is crummy. I'm on a quest to find the perfect audio. Until then, people really liked the way I explained this movement, but again, the audio wasn't very good. So I thought I would refilm it with hopefully better audio and give those of you who didn't attend class a chance to see what people liked about it. So you're going to begin in a half kneeling position. I have my right foot forward. I'm going to take my left toes. I'm going to pull them towards my left knee. Once I'm there, I'm going to begin to actively reach the ball of the left foot into the floor. When I actively reach the ball of the left foot into the floor, my left knee might lift and then lower that down. Notice my torso is just soft. I'm not doing anything, I'm not really moving it around. I'm using the ball of the back foot to change the position of the leg. Once you've done a few of those, you can switch sides. Come back to the first side after you do the second side. And then I want you to imagine that you're getting ready to leap up. So your left arm's going to be forward, your right arm's going to be back. Your chest will be slightly rotated over this front leg. Now I'm going to press through the ball of my back foot. I'm going to reach that back foot into the ground, and I'm going to transfer my arms, transferring the legs. Again, I press the ball of the back foot into the ground to come up. One more time, press. And that is that. It's just a different way of exploring a really common movement pattern. And the more options you have to accomplish a task, the more adaptable you are to life. So give that a try and see how it goes. Thank you.